All right, guys, let's talk about this plastics poll. What's your favorite moto plastics company? 292 total votes, with Cherubies taking 60% of the votes. This pretty much blew my mind. The options were Cherubies, UFO, Polysport, Cycra, and Chinese stuff on eBay. I don't know. I definitely expected a Cherubies to be popular, but 60%, I did not. Back when I first got into riding, 2000, 2001, it seemed like UFO was the big kid on the block. And they were, always distributed by Parts Unlimited, and I couldn't ever get them at my shop, so I never ran the stuff. I ran Polysport, some of Cherubies, and then when I got my 12 model 450s is when Cycra came out with their Power Flow kits, which had like the stadium front plate, and it had on the shroud it had like a little extra wing, and it had like a air duct that pushed air into the radiators. So I ran Cycra Power Flow kits on my Cowies, 12, 14, 16. Thought those kits were the coolest. But yeah, second place behind the Cherubies was Polysport with 14%. I've always had good luck with the Cherubies and Polysport. It seemed like to me Polysport plastics always had like a good level of flex in them. So if for some reason the bolt holes didn't line up perfect, you could always kind of flex them a little bit. Cycra third with 11%. UFO fourth with 9%. So I don't know. It's just wild to me that UFO has went from probably the most popular plastics company back in the 90s to now the least popular, at least according to this poll. I don't know. Thought that was pretty crazy. So, and then Chinese stuff on eBay, 8%. There's a lot of Chinese plastics on eBay, especially for like when it comes to the 50s and the pit bikes and stuff like that. There's also a company from Europe called Artec that I believe makes plastics that people can get on eBay now too. I think it's pretty good stuff. But let's take a look at the comments here. Conway Tweedy says, got a Cycra Power Flow kit for my KTM and only the radiator shrouds fit. LOL, waste of money. I haven't had that kind of experience with Cycra, but I haven't ran a bunch of Cycra stuff on KTMs either, so I'm not really sure what's going on there. Shannon Scott says he or she, no idea, likes to make their own plastics from cut milk jugs. Cheaper and easier to replace. LOL. So, yeah, that was a pretty interesting poll. I did not expect a Cherubies to take a lead like that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Keep voting on these polls because I think they're pretty freaking interesting.